Good evening, everyone. Time check. 9:53 p.m. here in Finland. And let's check our backyard garden. So, ito na yung nangyari sa radish namin. Ang tatangkad na nila. OMG. Sobrang tangkad. And also our tomatoes, they have already small fruit, tomatoes fruit. Ayan, ang liliit pa. And may mga bulaklak na rin yung aming string beans, sitaw.
At saka nag-i-enjoy.
And also we have pineapple cherries, matangkad na sila, and then spinach, and chilies. May mga bulaklak na rin, and soon magkakaroon na sila ng fruits. And here, our lettuce. So, ayan, kanina kumuha ako ng 3 pirasong lettuce at ginawa ko silang salad. Ayan, 'di ba? Hindi na kami bibili sa may store. Hindi na namin kailangan bumili. Ayan. And soon matutulog na kami. Okay, that's all for today's video. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.